guys, good morning from me and my usual banana and chana powder shake. This is usually the very first thing that I consume in my morning, and then only I go ahead and have anything else inside my system. So yeah, I'm just having this right now, and I told you why I've been having all this banana and chana powder shake thingy and everything. I just showed you people my weight on the weighing scale, and currently I am 49 kgs. Let me tell you, the last time I went to this doctor before going to my Kashmir trip now, he had this weighing scale in his cabin, so he just asked me to just stand on it and check my weight. So I did, and it came to be exactly 46.6 because it was a digital weighing scale. And I was so sad looking at that number. I was like, I'm so weak. Like, I used to be 48 when I was in 12th grade, and then 2 years back from today, in 2021 or 2022 around, like, I used to be 55, like, I myself cannot believe this when I think back upon it, that I used to be 55 once and I was a really healthy and confident girl. I used to really feel good about my body. It's not that I feel any bad about my body right now. I do not have any body image issues or whatever, but I want to put on some weight for myself because I feel weak at times to deal with things physically. And yeah, that's all the reason. So I've been consuming all the protein in the world, and yeah, today I came to be 49 and I felt a little better. So today is 8th of September, and currently it's 9 a.m. something. After having this, I think I'll be doing a little of my chores, and then I'll have my coffee and will read my book too, because on my weekdays I'm not reading much, and this is one thing that makes me feel bad because I always used to tell you guys that reading along with having my coffee is my jam, and I just love reading my books. So might do that, and after that I have a few more things on my mind to do for my today's vlog for you guys. So let's see where everything goes ahead. And yeah, this is all what I'm having right now, and it's raining. Okay, it's not raining, it's drizzling a little, and sun is also playing a little hide and seek with me, with all of us. And yeah, that's all the status of my current situation. Today is 8th of September. I have already told you that. Let me just have it, and I'll talk to you later. Guys, it's currently 11:30 a.m. in the morning, and let me tell you, I have skipped out on making and taking my breakfast because I absolutely feel no need to. I am feeling pretty full from that banana shake I had in the morning, and then my coffee. I feel no need of having any breakfast, so I'll be having directly my brunch today. But I wanted to show you something. So firstly, I have all these packages and boxes lying over here that I have to open in front of you guys and give you people a little haul. But that is something that's gonna happen in the latter part of this video. for now I'm taking care of something else. So this is a tiny little ugly space in front of you guys. That is the top of my fridge. This is my fridge here, and I've been really meaning to clean this space for months at this point. I won't lie to you guys, but I never got around doing the same. So today I have decided that I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff that's just very purposelessly randomly lying over here on the top of my fridge. I just keep dumping things over here that I do not need, and yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of all of this and just gonna lay a fresh cover on the top of this fridge here, and then put a little nice stuff, maybe a plant and then a few knickknacks, because I've been really meaning to make all the spots in all the corners of my house really pretty and cozy and cute looking. So let's just begin from here. Let's just begin today from our tiny little fridge. So we didn't know she looked like that. Yeah. And then they were like, I think probably she didn't post anything for the longest time because she was getting things done. And now, like, guys, I'm back. It's currently 2 p.m. and usually it's my lunch time after having my shower or my bath, but no, today is a bit different. I have all these stupid rings on, and I also have my hair in a very pathetic condition right now, so don't mind that. Also, I put on a little makeup which is right now looking very sweaty, but I'll refix it. I have to show you something. Here is this box from Be Blunt, and this is my first ever paid collab for this YouTube short for Be Blunt. I have to film right now this YouTube short, so I just wanted to give you people a bit of the BTS, the behind the scenes. And yeah, I don't even know if I'm allowed to unpack this box in front of you guys and show you the product and everything. So here we have gotten um, two hair masks. So this is what is inside here. This one is a intense shine hair mask, and this one is a intense moisture hair mask. So I'm really happy about this, and this is my first ever paid collab with Be Blunt for this YouTube shot, although it's not a great one considering the money and everything, but I'm just happy. And I have to film a short right now. I'm running super late on it already, so yeah, let me just go to my bathroom now and change into whatever clothes I need to put on for filming the same thing and stuff. I'm just really excited. Let us both see how it goes. Okay, I need to start. It's currently 9:19 p.m. okay, and I had almost forgotten that I had to give you people the haul as well, the haul of all these tiny little items that I have gotten from Amazon very randomly. So I'm just gonna make it as quick as possible because I do not have time, and I really want to go to bed and sleep because I'm really tired. So I'm just gonna start opening the packages and gonna show you everything very quickly without explaining things in too much detail. So here is this tiny little string of these artificial green plasticky creeper leaves. I don't know what to even call these. I don't know if they have any specific name to it, but they are not looking the best quality that I was expecting. But I've gotten it to put on at one of the spots in my house because I'm planning a little home decor and stuff. So yeah, this is just that. The second package is this box from Sleepy Owl, and yeah, it has my forever beloved coffee inside it. This time I went for French vanilla, but I did not know that it was going to come in a new packaging. I think it's a bigger bottle. This is a 100 grams pack, by the way. So yeah, this is just my Sleepy Owl ka coffee. Oh, I'm really sorry guys, but I'm not gonna give you the try on here, but I've gotten 3 more shorts. The last time I ordered a few cotton shorts from Amazon, I had to return those because those were really bad looking and bad quality. So this time I went for these ones. These are very plain and basic. The 3 colors are these, like blue, pink, and this green, like sage green or whatever, I don't know, minty green, not sage green, minty green. So I'm again not sure if I'm gonna keep these, but they look like just comfy and something very chill to just throw on when you at home. So that's that. Also I have these transparent hooks because I just wanted to install these on some of the walls and tiles to hang things basically. And yeah, these are the hooks. Next box has, okay, it has these ball lights. I don't know again what is the name of these lights. Okay, these cottony ball sorta lights. These are I don't know if I'm again happy with the quality or not, but I'll have to light these once, light these first, and then see if it is worth keeping. But they are looking cute for some reason right now, holding them like this and just playing with them. So yeah, this is something I wanted to get for some home decor purposes again. Okay, this was quite okay. This was a totally unnecessary buy. This is just some cute little first aid box so that you may keep your medicines, your ointments, cotton, bandage, band-aids, anything inside it, and just, you know, you may just have it on the side of your bed, on the side of your dressing table or whatever, and it just looks good. So I just wanted to have this first aid kit or first aid box just to store all my medicines, all my tablets, ointments, cotton, band-aids, again all of that medical stuff inside it, so that it just looks pretty and also everything stays in just one place. Okay, here's a bento lunch box. That's what it's called, right? Like a bento lunch box. It's looking good. It's looking good. So I just wanted to get this lunch box for myself because I just want to take my snacks to my office in just some pretty box. The lunch box that my mother packs all my fruits and nuts and everything in is quite boring and is quite old, so I just wanted to get a new one for myself. So here's this cute little box. It has gotten one tiny little spoon over here and 2 chopsticks, and I think it was supposed to have one fork too, so that I'll have to check. And it has this clipboard, right? This is what it is called. I don't even remember what it's called. It's a clipboard, right? So the problem that I had was whenever I would start writing down in my journal sitting on the bed, I would keep the journal on my legs and then would start writing into it, and it would not stay stable. You know how it is not the flattest and the most in the stable position, in the most stable position when you put the diary or your journal or your notebook on your legs and start writing onto it. So I just wanted something sturdy so that I can keep this very straight and stable and flat on my legs, and then keeping my journal onto its top, I would write very perfectly and very stably, like having a stable writing and stable hand and some stability basically to my journal and to my, yeah, you get it. And yeah, that was all for my little Amazon haul.